In this video, I'll show you how to reset the microprocessor in your new Pioneer in-dash receiver. Even though your particular in-dash receiver may or may not have a built-in CD player, the button operation in this demonstration is identical for the following Pioneer Audio in-dash receiver models: FH-S722BT, FH-S722BS and 622BS, FH-S520BT, FH-S720BS and 722BS. It's really simple to reset the microprocessor on your Pioneer 2DIN in-dash receiver. And the reason you might want to reset the microprocessor is maybe the system is just acting a little weird. It was working just fine the other day. Today, maybe there's something crazy on the display area, or maybe it's just not working the way that it did the other day and you think something is wrong. So let's reset the microprocessor. So right here beside the USB port is auxiliary, and right beside auxiliary right here is the microprocessor reset button. So you'll need a paper clip or some other small point, and we'll just take that paper clip. And before I do, note that the time is 8:03 up there. So we'll just take this paper clip and we're going to press in on the microprocessor reset button. You can feel it. You saw the lights went out on the receiver, and when it comes back, you're going to see that it powers up, and we have to go through the setup process again. Choose a language and set the clock. We're back to 12 p.m. We'll just set it back to 12 p.m. for right now. And of course, we need to choose a speaker mode on the higher end receivers. And for right now, we're going to choose standard mode and select yes and choose quit. And we will choose an AM/FM radio source, and we are back in business.